Hello, eager young minds. So, this is my first video for Mathematics 5. Okay? Nasa second quarter na tayo and this is the lesson number 1 for the first week of the second quarter. Okay, let's talk about the place value and the value of a digit of a given decimal number through 10,000s. So, sa lesson na to, ang pag-uusapan natin is about place value and values of a digit lang. Now, take note. The place value and the value of each digit in a given decimal number depends on their places. So, nakadepende ang place value at ang value ng bawat numero kung saan sila nakalagay. Okay, let's take this example. I have here 2,345 10,000s. Okay, elaborate natin yan. Okay. Given this table, tingnan natin yung mga digits kung saan sila nakalagay sa ating place value table. Okay. Nandito ang decimal point. Okay. Ito decimal point. Sa left side ng ating decimal point, nandyan ang ones place, nandyan ang tens place, nandyan ang hundreds place, nandyan ang thousands place, and so on and so forth. Okay. Dito naman, sa kanan, sa right side ng ating decimal point, ang unang decimal number is the tens place, ang pangalawang decimal number is the hundreds place, ang pangatlong decimal number is the thousands place, at ang pang-apat is the 10,000s place. Okay. Kung kaya naman, itong ating halimbawa na 2,345 10,000s, kung ilalagay natin ang mga number sa tamang place value nila, itong 0 ay nasa ones place. Okay? Andito ang decimal point. Of course. Ang 2 ay nasa tens place. Okay, take note ha. Pagdating sa decimal number, wala siyang ones. Automatic, pagkatapos ng decimal point, tenths agad yan. Okay, and take note, meron siyang THS. Dito sa kabila, sa ating whole number, tens. Dito sa ating decimal number, tenths. Okay? And, ang 3, pangalawa, ay nating nasa hundreds place. Okay? Hundreds place. And then, ang pangatlo, ang number 4 ay nasa thousands place. Okay? At ang number 5 naman ay nasa 10,000s place. Okay. So, yun lang siya. Ganun lang. Okay. Right after the decimal point is the tens place, hundreds place, sunod-sunod na yan. Tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, 100,000s place, and so on and so forth. Okay. So, yun ang place value nila. Now, let's talk about the value. Alamin naman natin kung ano ang value ng mga yan. Of course, ilalagay natin sila. Okay. 0, of course, the value of 0 nasa ones place siya is 0. So, ito yung decimal point natin. Nandito pa rin. Now, dito tayo. Ano ang value ng 2? Okay. Since ang value ng 2 ay nasa tens place siya, okay, isusulat mo siya 0, and then ilalagay mo siya sa tens place. So, the value of 2 in this example is 2 tenths. Okay? Ganun lang siya. Okay? Binasa natin ang number 2, tapos dinagdag natin kung ano ang kanyang place value. Kaya pag binasa tong 0.2, that is just 2 tenths. Okay? How about the value of 3? So, the value of 3, okay, nasa hundreds place siya. So, 0. And then, pang ilan yung hundreds place? Pangalawa. Kaya ang 3 ay nasa pangalawang number to the right of the decimal point. Okay? Pag binasa mo naman yan, okay, basahin mo lang yung numbers mismo and then idagdag ang kanyang place value. Kaya pag binasa mo yung 0.03, that is just 3 hundredths. Okay? Basahin ang number 3, idagdag ang kanyang place value. Okay. Ngayon, how about the number 4 naman? Nasa thousands place siya. So, pang ilan ang thousands place? 1, 2, tenths, hundreds, thousands. Pangatlo. So, kapag sinulat mo ang kanyang value, that is a 0, and then 0, 0, nasa pangatlo siya. So, ang 4 ay nasa thousands place. Okay? Kaya kapag binasa mo naman yan, babasahin mo lang kung anong number ang nakalagay. So, the number 4. And then you add kung anong place value niya. So, pag binasa mo tong number na to, decimal na to, this is just 4 thousands. Okay? So, ganun lang. Okay. Now, dito naman tayo sa number 5. So, ang number 5 ay nasa 10,000s place. 10,000s place ay pang ilan? This is tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, pang-apat yan. So, ang 5 ay dapat nasa 10,000s place, pang-apat siya sa kanan ng ating decimal point. Okay? Kasi nasa 10,000s place siya. Sorry, this is 5. Okay. Kaya naman, kapag binasa mo itong decimal number na to, babasahin mo lang yung number 5, that is just 5, and then dagdag mo kung ano ang kanyang place value. So kapag binasa mo to, this is just 5 10,000s. Okay? Kaya kanina sa simula pa lang, ang basa ko dito, this is 2,345 10,000s. Bakit 10,000s ang basa ko? Kasi ang dulong number niya, itong number 5 na to, ay nasa 10,000s place. Dinagdag ko lang. So, 2,345 10,000s. Okay? Next. Learning task 1. Give the value and the place value of the underlined digits. Okay. Meron tayo dito, 309 10,000s. Okay, kaya kapag sinulat ko yan, that is just 309 10,000s. Okay, nandito siya sa 10,000s place. Okay, 9 10,000s. Ito lang. Kaya naman, ang value ng underlined number na 9 is just 9 to 10,000s. Okay, tingnan nyo kung paano ko binasa ito. 309 10,000s. Ang pagbabasa sa decimal point is N. Okay? So, 309, nasa 10,000s place siya, kaya 309 10,000s. Okay. So, the value of 9 is 9 10,000s, and of course, the place value of 9, nasa 10,000s place is 10,000s. Okay. Another example, 704 10,000s. So, kapag sinulat mo yan, that is 700, okay, and, okay, itong and na to, that is the decimal point, and then 4 10,000s. Okay, ibig sabihin, ang 4 ay nasa 10,000s place. Pang ilan yun? Pang-apat. So, kapag sinulat mo yan, that is 700 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000s. Kung kaya naman, ang value ng underlined number na 4 is just 4 10,000s also. At ang place value niya, syempre nasa 10,000s place siya, is just 10,000s. Okay. Next one. Learning task 2. Give the place value of the underlined digits. Okay, ngayon naman, alamin natin kung ano ang place value ng mga underlined digits. Okay. Example number 1. Okay. This is 2 and, okay, whole number ha, 2, decimal point, and 284. Basa nito, nasa anong place value ng 4? Nasa thousands place siya, kaya pag binasa mo to, this is 2 and 284 thousands. Okay. Since ang may underlined word number is the number 4, at itong number 4 na to ay nasa tens, hundreds, thousands place siya, okay, alam natin ngayon na ang place value ng 4 pala ay nasa thousands place. Okay? Now, another one. 2 and, okay, tingnan niyo yung pagbabasa ko ha, 2 and, decimal point, ang basa niyan ay and, 6,853, tapos anong place value ng dulong number na nasa kanan? Okay? Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Since 10,000s ang place value nito, kapag binasa mo yan, 2 and 6,853, 10,000s. Idadagdag mo kung anong place value ng number na nasa dulo. Okay, pero hindi yun ang problema natin. ang hinahanap natin kung ano ang place value ng merong underlined number. Since ang may underline is the number 8, and the place value of number 8 is tenths, hundreds, therefore, the answer is hundreds place. Okay? Okay, meron pang isa. Okay. Ito naman. Kapag 0 ang nasa whole number, hindi mo na siya kailangang basahin. Okay? Hindi mo na rin kailangang basahin ang decimal point. Diretso ka na dito sa ating decimal number. So kapag binasa mo to, this is just 8,273 and then idagdag ko anong place value ng nasa dulo. Since ito ay 10,000s place, okay? Kapag babasa nito, this is 8,273 10,000s. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Now, ang tinatanong ay kung anong place value ng may underline. Ang may underline ay number 3, the place value of that is 10,000s place. Okay? So, ganun lang. Now, let's proceed with learning task 3. Write the value of the digit 6. Okay? Ang hinahanap ay ang value ng number 6 sa bawat number. Tingnan natin. So, ano daw ang value? Tingnan natin. So, in this example, number 1, okay, 6 ay nandito. Nasa anong place value siya? This is tenths, hundreds, thousands. Okay, nasa thousands place siya. Since nasa thousands place ang number 6, ibig sabihin, ang kanyang value ay 6,000s. Okay? Ayun lang. Pag binasa natin to 6, tapos idagdag mo kung anong place value niya. So, pag binasa natin ang decimal number na to, this is 6,000s. Okay. Another one. 46 and 801. Anong place value ng 1? Thousands. Kaya pag binasa mo to, 46 and 801 thousands. Okay. Since hindi yun ang problem natin, ang hinahanap natin ay kung ano ang value ng number 6. Okay. Since ang 6 ay nasa 1's place, therefore, the value of 6 is just 6 also. 6 ones lang yan. Okay. Another one. I have here 67 and 8,012. Okay. Idagdag mo kung anong place value ng last number. 67 and 8,012, 10,000s. Okay. Hindi yun ang problem natin. Ang hinahanap natin ay kung ano ang value ng number 6. Since ang number 6 ay nasa 10th place, therefore, the value of number 6 is 6 tenths or 60. Now, take note. The actual value of a digit is called its value. Unlike the place value of a digit, which depends upon its position in a number, the value remains the same regardless of its position. Okay? Now, learning task 4. In 50,678 and 39,000, 39,241 hundred thousands, identify the digits indicated below. Okay, tingnan natin. Hundreds place. Ano ang digit na nasa hundreds place? Of course, this is ones, tens, hundreds. So, the digit in the hundreds place is the number 6. Okay. Next one. What is the number naman na nasa thousands place? Take note that THS, ibig sabihin decimal yan. So, tens, hundreds, thousands. So, the number in the thousands place is the number 2. Okay. What is the number naman in the tens place? Okay. Tens place, wag malilito, decimal number yan. So, this is the decimal point and the first number to the right is the tens place. Therefore, that number in the tens place is the number 3. Okay? Yun. Okay? So, yun lang po. Salamat sa inyo. Sana may natutunan and don't forget to subscribe.